project today that is about Carnival of the Animals. I'm going to read it. We're going to listen to the different pieces of music that go with the animals, and then we get to be actors and actresses.
Excuse me? Who are you even? Do you have a teaching license?
Oh, silly me. My name is Karen, and I am so qualified.
I guess we have a helper today. Hey, Karen.
Carnival of the Animals was written by this guy. His name is Camille Sanson. He was a Paris friend that lived in France. He never actually wanted anyone to hear his music because he thought people would make fun of him and laugh. So it did not become famous until after he died. It is a suite, which means it's little bitty baby pieces of music that make one big piece of music.
Welcome to the carnival where birds and beasts and such behave a lot like people do, at times a bit too much. You'll meet the regal lion and the captivating swan, the irritating donkeys that prattle on and on. You'll meet the tortoise and some fish with undulating fins. Welcome to our carnival. The music now begins.
I don't hear any music.
It's evident the lion is king in charge of almost everything. Avoid the beast at any cost, for if you fail, then all is lost. If you should hear a lion cough, don't hesitate to hurry off, and if you hear his fretful roars, remove yourself to distant shores. The lordly lion longs to sup on living prey and chew it up. Try not to fall within his sight, lest he dispatch you bite by bite. Besides his royal magnificence, the lion possesses common sense, and manages to labor less than every lovely lioness. Dun 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 dun! The hens all rush around the yard, they hurry, 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 they peck, 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 and cluck, 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 they scurry, scurry, scurry. They fuss and fret and fuss with feathers in a flurry until they rest upon their nest and cease their senseless worry. The hens each lay a single egg and sit on it contented. The rooster treats this news as though it were unprecedented. With puffed up chest he crows and crows till he appears demented. He seems to think a chicken egg was something he invented. Donkeys of the wild. They haven't any manners and they haven't any sense. There's not a word that anyone can say in their defense. Their ways are so unsavory, they'll never get ahead. They are the donkeys of the wild. That's all that need be said. Party! The tortoise. The tortoise lugs his house about and lumbers on all fours. He clearly never seems to be completely out of doors. The tortoise is a cautious sort, not known for being bold. So the tortoise lives to be exceptionally old. The tortoise never hurries and is happily resigned to being late for dinner and to being left behind. The tortoise doesn't ask for more if he can do with less. Perhaps that is the secret of the tortoise's success.
But would the tortoise not be so tired from carrying his house all over the place?
Elefante! An elephant never forgets to remember the things he remembers to never forget. An elephant knows that it snows in December, that summer is warmer and water is wet. An elephant's ears are a genuine wonder. An elephant's trunk is an elephant's pride. His footfalls are often mistaken for thunder. If you are in the neighborhood, do step aside. When elephants gather, the ground starts to tremble beneath the great weight of their ponderous feet. Be glad there are elephants left to assemble. Without them, our planet would be incomplete. Blup, 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 blup. Kangaroos. This fact is essential about kangaroos. They hop energetically just as they choose. They hop over rocks, over fences and streams, and probably hop in their kangaroo dreams. And when they aren't sleeping or swallowing food, they hop and they hop as though being pursued. For hopping's an action they cannot refuse. This fact is essential about kangaroos.
Psst. This one's my favorite.
Aquarium. In a tank filled to the brim, little fishes slowly swim endlessly from place to place, rarely varying their pace. There is little that they know, they blow kisses as they go. They don't notice what they see, or their own monotony. Each one has no other wish than to be a little fish, neither jubilant nor gloom, in a small aquarium. Fishies! Next we've got the cuckoo bird. Oh, cuckoo, 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 we must number you among those creatures with no interest in parenting their young. You slyly lay your egg within some smaller bird's abode, thus demonstrating that you lack the slightest moral code. Oh, cuckoo, 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 it's no wonder you're reviled, permitting that unwitting bird to cultivate your child. Crazy cuckoo bird. Birds of the sky. Songbirds. They flitter here, they flitter there, enjoying every breeze, and twitter songs of happiness amid the sheltering trees. They build their nests, they hatch their eggs, they warble as they thrive. With every note they tell the world, it's good to be alive. So pretty. Fossils. Fossils you entirely lack the basic knack of coming back. For fossils you're extinct, and so there's nowhere left for you to go. Poor fossils long without a skin. Today you simply don't fit in. One wonders if you were surprised to find that you'd been fossilized.
Dinosaurs!
The swan. The stately and beguiling swan glides slowly on the lake, with little but a ripple in her evanescent wake. Although she has no song to sing, no words that she can say, she's perfectly exquisite in her aqueous ballet. The swan is grand and glorious, she's poised at every turn, epitomizing elegance no other bird can learn. Though some may say she's just a swan, and fairly commonplace, she's positively nonpareil at demonstrating grace. Finale! Our carnival is ending soon, now as all things must in time. The music's almost over, we approach the final rhyme. In moments all the animals will take their parting bow. We hope you'll visit us again, but say farewell for now. The end.
What a wonderful book. Now that we've read about all of the animals, we are going to listen to their piece of music, and then we are going to act them out. Here we go.
Good job, Karen. We're very proud of you.
Well, thank you. I know I'm pretty awesome. Alright, Hawks, let's see what you got. I want to see your awesome dances just like mine. See if you can outdo Karen.